Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Stampin' Like It's Hot. This month we are stamping with household items. So I'll show you what I'm going to stamp with, but first I also want to say I'm also working on 31 Days of Cutfiles with Galaxy Girl Creations, which is Janet Fritz, and MK from Some Assemblage Required. They had an amazing kit. All the information about it will be down below. I went ahead and took this lovely, the last Confessions of a Paper Cut File that we are going to use, and I just stitched it in a white. And then I added sequins, and I added sequins from Opal Mist, and then I did almost run out, so I did add a few others from some others, but I used up all my Opal Mist, which I'm kind of sad about because it's one of my favorites. But I wanted to go kind of pale because I planned on playing with this Simply the Best collection because I really like the pale, the yellows and the greens, and I thought it would go. It's kind of a not your typical so I'm that you would have a sequin sunshine with. So I'm going to try and find just kind of an everyday photo, I think. And I think I want to cut this tag out. Or this one of the two. I'm really leaning towards a tag, but I need to find a good photo. I kind of just want an everyday photo, but I plan on stamping with this chunk of curtain that I have. So it is a household item. This is not a stamp, right? I plan on using my brayer to stamp with it, and we will see how that goes. But I think I'm going to find my photo, get some papers arranged, figure out how I want to do that first, and then I'll touch base with you, and we'll do some stamping with this lace curtain, and we'll see how it goes. And yeah. So let me do some searching and I'll be back. So it's basically just going to add more texture, but it's going to be like using a texture stamp. So I don't know if that's cheating. We're going to say it's not. So I'm going to go ahead. I have some Lost Shadow here. And we're going to bray right on top of the ink pad. And then I'm just going to come in between and do some spots in between my sequins and add a little texture, or so have you. So I'm only using one section of the lace so that it doesn't, I won't cross-contaminate with my other colors that I'm going to use, but I'm going to use the three colors. I'm going to use Lost Shadow, Antique Linen, and Bundled Sage. So just adding a little bit of texture. We'll see how this goes. So I'm going to keep on doing it, and we'll go from there. Okay, I've let it dry, and I cut a 4-inch circle out to cover up the inside of my sun. It'll probably end up getting covered up anyway, but I did it just in case. I fussy cut a couple tags out of the yellow paper. Right now I'm just wrapping this tag with some black jute that I then will staple. I think I'm going to go this direction because I want these excess off because I don't need them. Just want to wrap it. Leaves all these little furs though. I thought I wanted this whole wood grain tad, but really all I want is the here for this. So I'm gonna fussy cut that out with the tiniest blue border around it. I've got, where's my little hole punch? I've got this that I cut my circle out, and my circle cutter kind of punctures a hole to hold it. I don't like it that it does that, but this works perfect to then just do this like little half circle notch out. There we go. So it looks like a ticket. I'm gonna try to maybe slide my stuff over a little so we can still see some of that lovely green circle here. And I still have some tags and things I could use. For journaling. Not right now, at least. But it is a speech bubble. I feel like none of these pertain to what I want to do. I'm not getting it used up like I want to. That's what's happening. I like the yes to this. So I think we'll do that. All that twine is leaving. Cheers. And then I feel like, can I just move this over just the slightest? Yes. I'm trying to decide if there's anything else I can put behind to help out my building of my clusters. So I'm going to, is this circle? So we're gonna just cut that in half. I should have roughed it up first. I keep setting things down. Since my background is no longer white, it'll stand out a little. Here. Once again, I didn't really need to put anything. I've covered my circle, so. But I kind of feel like I should have it sticking out. Like you should still be able to see it. Because yeah, I've got this cute happy things, but I feel like this is going good. I don't want to add too much to it if I don't need to. I do kind of want to bring some black because I've got that black twine, so it's kind of heavy. I think I will stick this sticker over here, and we'll just the smallest amount, even though it says Go Team, it doesn't matter, except for it's actually quite sticky. And we'll just balance the black with something black over there. Put this down. Does this need to be on foam? I feel like it needs to be on foam. And I feel like I need to have a spot to journal about this. I don't necessarily want more pattern. Okay. We can stick foam on top of it. Sorry guys, you guys are getting a lot of just contemplation. This is lots of contemplation. Okay, let's get my sticky scissors out. And then I feel like I will just tuck under wherever it's needed instead of that needs to hang off. Feel like we could do got black. We've got metal. And we need some more of this. And I think this might be good enough. Like, I don't know if I actually need to put foam everywhere. I think I need a little bit down here. Where'd my big sheet go? Oh, I think I cut it all up already. Look at that. Nice. So we start another one. Look at these giant pieces of foam. Love them. Love them. All right, I keep making my stash of this collection stretch instead of using it somehow, and I don't know why. What do you guys think? I think we need a very thin black border. So I am going to grab that and trim this down just the tiniest bit and put a black border all the way around. Maybe even like a gray. Yeah, maybe even a gray. We'll see what I can find. But you will have some close-ups. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out all the other ladies in the playlist that is down below for Stampin' Like It's Hot. I have still way too much of this collection left. I think I need to do one more layout of it. And yeah, there we go. Thank you so much. Check out everybody else for 31 days of Cutfiles as well. And we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.